Hey guys, got a 2021 plate Ford Torino here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light. So for this we're going to use the steering wheel buttons on the right and then the screening of that on the dash. So we're going to scroll down first. We'll go to where the settings button is, and we're going to press the menu button here. And then we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, vehicle maintenance, and scroll down to the bottom again, go to tyre pressure and click in OK, and then clicking again OK to store pressure, hold OK to store pressure. So we're going to hold it down, the blue line comes up, and then it comes up tyre pressure saved, and that's it.